Are you wondering which is better for your data security? Today we are comparing VeraCrypt and Cryptomator. Both tools help you keep your files safe by encrypting them. They protect your sensitive information from prying eyes. But how do they differ? Let's find out. VeraCrypt is a powerful open source encryption tool. It creates a virtual encrypted disk. You can use it like a real hard drive. It offers strong security features and supports various encryption algorithms. It's great for advanced users who need deep customization. On the other hand, Cryptometer is user friendly and designed for cloud storage. It encrypts files before they upload to services like Google Drive or Dropbox. This makes it simple to keep your data secure in the cloud. It's perfect for everyday users who want hassle-free protection. Now, let's look at the key differences. VeraCrypt is more complex and offers more options for advanced users. Cryptomator is straightforward and focuses on cloud security. When comparing features, VeraCrypt provides more encryption settings and supports full disk encryption. Cryptomator, however, is easier to set up and use, especially for beginners. In terms of pricing, VeraCrypt is free, while Cryptomator has a one-time purchase fee. Both options are cost effective, but they cater to different needs. So, who should choose what? If you need strong, customizable encryption and are comfortable with technology, go for VeraCrypt. If you want simple, cloud based security, Cryptometer is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this.